I'm Ajay.
Hi, I'm Anjali.
Hi, I'm Hope.
And hi, I'm Christian.
Okay, this is our game, board in school. It's board in school. It's supposed to be a boarding school. And then, so then we have the instructions up here, and it's supposed to be like a dark, dingy boarding school that you're supposed to escape. And yeah.
Okay, so I'm the one that programmed the menu. Up here we have instructions on how to play, and when you press the button, you go into your dorm room. And the first step is you have to escape the dorm room. This is where I programmed the menu. Here we have the marquee, which is this part that is scrolling down the screen. And this is where we have the instructions.
So the way we made the room is first we made a skybox and we uploaded all the different textures. So for the floor we have this like ugly carpet, and then for the walls we have this like old-fashioned like wallpaper, and then for the ceiling we have like a moldy ceiling to make it look bad. And then this is the file we used to make the bedroom. Okay, so this is the code that we did to make the skybox. So this is basically the size of the box. So that's the size of the room. It's very small. And then this is where we uploaded the textures for each of the surfaces. And this is the function that we declared to create the skybox. And then, so you don't fall out of the world because it's unrealistic, we added collision, so you stand on the floor and you can't like go through the wall. And we had to put it with physics because physics is what makes you able to jump. And if you don't add the physics, then you'll just float right above the floor. And then to be able to see the room, we added light. So you're able to, it's able to cover the whole room, because without it, it'll just be a black screen. And then where we added the physics was up here. Oh. So this is the whole place where we imported the physics. So this is the actual JavaScript file that we imported back in our layout.js and our index. So everything applies. This applies to every object in our project.
You can see in the page index.html number on line 104 to 108, you can see the sort of help functions where if you push question mark, then you can see it up there. On line 112 to 114, you can see where you can like see the time, or not, 1:11, 1:12, you can see the time remaining, which it shows, if it's less than 10 seconds, it puts a message that says, hurry up. So, as you can see, if you run out of time, it shows the day came up and you got caught.
So, our beautiful character you see right here, our beautiful character you see right here, really cool looking, not, but, okay, so, so our character's name is Flynn, as you know, okay, and then line 95 through 52 is where we create our character. So these lines are basically where it describes how the character, like the texture of the character. You can see it's rainbow. Then this is these lines. These lines are the size of each sphere or cylinder that there is. The body and everything. Oh yeah, and then here's the. Okay. Okay. Of the body things, like the arms, the legs, and the head. How do I do that? Is the collision. So basically, the VAR make physical player explains that it's a real object that it has supposed to have a collision box, so it doesn't ram into a wall and go through it. Like, why can't it move? So, okay, and then we have one of the challenges we faced. I know it's pretty early, but we had a glitch with the jumping. So basically, in our physics, I don't know what went wrong, but whenever we jump, we start flying like really high. You keep jumping higher every time you hold the space bar, and then sometimes it goes down, but sometimes, as you can see, we keep jumping higher. And then occasionally it'll vibrate and then start a collision glitch where, because look, this is what happens, and it shoots you up. So yeah. Okay, and then we learned collisions.
Like to make good collisions and not just have it where it's like maybe. Well, we learned to just do collisions. We learned how to physics and yeah.
Multiple rooms, enemies, like they're like going to be like a silhouette of enemies that walk down and up the different rooms. We'd like to add a longer time, of course. And this vent, which is supposed to be the escape, does not do anything, so we'd like to add that in a future program, I guess.